Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear students of O1 class, both boys and girls, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Hussain. So today I teach the topic. Today I teach two topics. One is what is silt or siltation and their effects and causes. And second topic is the study of link canal. My dear student, first of all, what is silt or siltation? Dear students, silt or siltation means the material eroded by the river due to its speed and carried, and this material consists of sand, mud, or clay. And when this material is carried by river water and deposited on the bed of reservoir means a dam, or in barrages or in canals, then it's called silt or siltation. My dear students, after definition, next, what are the causes of silt or siltation? As you are watching on the screen, the first of all, the main reason is a deforestation. Mean humans are responsible that cut the trees, especially on the foothills of the mountains. When heavy rain occur on the foothills of the mountains, are melting of and start the melting of the snow during the summer season, especially when temperature rise. Then water come with a fast speed without resistance. So due to speed, the river erode a lot of material. And already I said the material eroded by river is sand, sometimes stones, mud, or clay. And this eroded material is carried by the river. So then these are the three causes of silt or siltation. But when this material is deposited in reservoir or in barrages or in canals, so it has lot of problems or lot of effects. So first of all, the biggest problem is when maximum water is stored, when maximum silt or siltation is stored in reservoir, that is dam. So it reduces the storing capacity of water. When less water is stored, it means less water is supplied for irrigation to farming areas. And when less water uh, goes towards through canals towards the farming areas, it means that interrupt the output of the crops. When output reduce and the income of the farmer also reduce, as well as when maximum silt or siltation is deposited in reservoir, it really reduce storing capacity, then maximum chances of flooding. So increase the risk of the floods is also the dangerous. As well as when maximum silt or siltation is deposited, so less generation of power. When there is a less generation of power, then a shedding practice will be started in Pakistan, as we are facing from the 80s to now. As well as uh, when power is generated and maximum water rush onto the turbine just for the rotation, so with the help of pipes, so pipes blocked as well as also damage the machinery. So the removal of silt or siltation is very difficult and expensive. So my dear students, it's a first topic that is all about. So here I told you what is the definition of silt or siltation, and second, the causes of silt or siltation, and the problem caused by silt or siltation in reservoir or in barrages or even in canals. My dear student, the next topic is a link canal. First of all, what is a link canal? A canal that carries water from one canal to another canal. And links canals are the result of Indus Water Treaty. So according to Indus Water Treaty, Pakistan construct the Eight Links Canal. Mean, what is the main purpose to construct the Eight Links Canal? First, I'm going to tell you a little bit history because according to Indus Water Treaty, Pakistan has a full rights to use the water of western rivers like as Chenab, River Jhelum and River Indus. And India has a full rights to use the water of three eastern rivers like as River Satluj, River Bias and River Ravi. So actually we lost the water of three eastern rivers to compensate or to level the situation, to compensate or to level the situation, then government of Pakistan has constructed the links canal. So I'm going to tell you the main purpose to construct the link canal. So first of all, they transfer the water from three western rivers to two eastern rivers like Ravi and Satluj. As well as links canal also provide water for irrigation, especially to perennial canals. And number three is to compensate the water lost from the eastern rivers. So basically, this is the major purpose of the construction of the Links Canal. The Links Canal, the, the Links Canal, as I said, it is really the result of Indus Water Treaty. And we have eight Links Canal. So following are the result of Links Canal. Number one is Rasul Kadirabad, Kadirabad Balloki, Balloki Suleimanki, Trimo Sidnai, Sidnai Melsi, Melsi Bahawal, Chashma Jhelum, and Tosa Pachnath. So these are eight links canal. So my dear students, you must remember the names of these eight links canal. An examiner can ask two different type of the questions. First of all, in general, can ask the question, describe the purpose of the links canal. As I told you, there are three purposes of the links canal as you are watching on the screen. And the second question can be asked like as the question is name a link canal and explain the purpose. So my dear student, just as a practice, I'm going to tell you according to the question, uh, name a link canal like Rasul Kadir Abad, Rasul Kadir Abad link canal. So what is the purpose of this one? Rasul Kadrabad, Rasul mean it's a name of a barrage that is constructed on the river Jhelum and canal has been taken out. The name of the canal is Rasul Kadrabad and that get water from river Jhelum and supply water to river Chenab at Kadrabad barrage. So this is called the purpose of the links canal. But I'm going to tell you the next one is the like as the first of all, Rasul Kadrabad, you are watching Rasul Kadrabad, Kadrabad Balloki, Balloki Suleimanki, Trimu Sidnai, Sidnai Melsi or Bahawar Link Canal, as well as Chashma Jehlam Link Canal. So actually, my dear students, these canals as according to the purpose. So we have at yet we have two eastern rivers, Satluj and River Ravi and Chenab, Jhelum and Indus, the western rivers. So such canals have been taken out from the western rivers mean like this canal, Chashma, that directly get water from the river Indus and supply to river Jhelum. And from river Jhelum, canal have been taken out, namely Rasul Kadrabad, after that Kadrabad to Balloki and Balloki Suleimanki. So it's a system of the links canal. So as I said, the main purpose to compensate the water in the eastern rivers. So my dear students, this was the topic that I want to transfer the knowledge related to the study of siltation as well as the study of links canal. So thank you very much. Best of luck, my dear students. Thank you very much.